Hi, so we're going to take a look at how we can reformat. In this case, it's a matching, but basically it's a form of pixel art. First thing you want to do is make a copy, right? That way, if you mess up, you can go back to the original. So, name a copy, give whatever name you want. Okay, so I'm going to change this from American Revolution. Let's see if I get out of that. To, I don't know, math. Now, I'm not going to change where the matches are, right? Because I don't want to have to reformat. So I do have to keep that. So I know whatever I put here, let's say it's going to be something simple, like 2 plus 2, right? 2 minus 2, there we go. And I can make it larger just so it looks nicer by going up here, changing the font. There we go. And now I know the answer has to go over here, 0. And again, probably want to make it look nicer. I'm going to change the font. Okay, that didn't really work. Let's try that again. There we go. Okay, so it's still going to match up, right? And I can keep changing it. I can change it. This could be vocabulary. This could be literary terms with examples, right? Onomatopoeia, bang. This could be pictures of elements, compounds, and mixtures, elements and their symbols. In this case, it's content, as far as, having them finish the thought, for history. It could be anything. Okay. I think this could be any subject matter that you want to get some sort of that practice in of connecting ideas. Okay. Okay. So again, change this to anything you like. Again, it's already formatted, so you don't want to change that. Now, when you're ready to give this to the kids, you're going to clear out the answer column before, right? You don't want them seeing the answers. You just delete just the answer column itself. That's it. And boom. Okay. And undo. Okay. So, and then once that's cleared, that's when you would assign it to the kids, and you would give each kid, a student, their own copy in Google Classroom. Okay. Hope you have fun with it.